The oceans cover over 70% of the planet's surface and hold about 97% of all of Earth's water. And living in these oceans is a creature that has roamed Earth for the last 100 million years. 5 of the 7 species of sea turtles live in Florida's coastal waters. But through habitat destruction, climate change, poaching, and bycatching, 6 of the 7 species of sea turtles have been listed from vulnerable to critically endangered. As a result, scientists and conservationists have stepped in to save the ancient mariners.
We found that there was a huge need and a crisis facing the sea turtles. So it was our nonprofit that took on the responsibility of funding all of the sea turtle activity there at the Gumbo Limbo Nature Center.
Veterinarians at Gumbo Limbo Nature Center and Loggerhead Marine Life Center help save sea turtles through rehabilitation, conservation, and research. And since sea turtles were first placed on the Endangered Species Act in the 1970s, turtle nesting in Florida has increased dramatically.
So it's, we thought we had somewhere around, 350,000 nests or, around 3 million hatchlings leaving, and that was 20 years ago. Now we have more like twice that many, at least.
While these efforts have helped bring various species back from the edge of extinction, sea turtles are facing a different challenge that scientists may not be able to solve. Unlike humans and other mammals whose sex is determined through X or Y chromosomes, the sex of reptiles is often determined through environmental factors. So what might just be a burning sensation on our feet from hot sand can affect sea turtles for generations to come.
These animals, sea turtles, have environmentally determined sex. That's no X chromosome, no Y chromosome. It's all the genes responding to the environmental temperature in the nest. So, because the environment varies, the question then is, what's a normal sex ratio?
The optimal incubation temperature for sea turtle eggs is between 83 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit. If the temperature of the nest falls out of this range, it can result in skewed sex ratios. Cooler temperatures mean more male hatchlings, while warmer temperatures mean more female hatchlings. And through Dr. Weineken's research on sex ratios over the past 20 years, she's discovered there's been an overwhelming increase in the percentage of female sea turtles hatching on Florida beaches.
And some years we see no males at all. That's the big change that's happened. We thought we were probably going to get 15% males, somewhere around there. That's very, very, very rare. I think I only have 1 year like that. Since then, we see 98% female, 99% female, 100% female.
Because it takes 20 to 30 years before sea turtles reach sexual maturity, the effects of this skewed ratio may not be seen until decades down the line.
If every male is fertilizing 5 females, great job for boys in the turtle singles bar, but not great for the diversity, genetic diversity that provides the variation that gives the species resilience.
As global ocean and coastal temperatures continue to trend warmer each year because of carbon emissions, there's no clear solution to the sea turtles' problem. But humanity can try to help the turtles by slowing down global warming.
It's not just, right here in southeast Florida and sea turtles and water temperatures around here. We're seeing this around the whole globe. And so any efforts on a large scale to, curb greenhouse gas emissions and those sorts of things to at least not let the temperatures increase as rapidly.
And while the future is not fully clear for sea turtles, scientists and conservationists will continue to try and save the species, because a healthy ocean depends on sea turtles, and sea turtles need our help. Ryan Marshall, UMTV.